Hi, I'm live from rainy Manhattan today, and we are going to learn some Polish phrases with the real life around us. Write in the comment where you're watching from. So this is Manhattan. To jest Manhattan. We are waiting for the green light. Zielone światło. Green light. Right now, it's red light. We cannot cross the street. Oh, we can cross the street. Green light. Zielone światło. Look around me. It's pouring today. It is raining today. Pada deszcz. Pada deszcz. I have an umbrella. Mam parasol. Mam parasol. Let's go. This is the subway entrance. Wejście do metra. Subway. Metro. Repeat after me. Subway. Metro. It feels like Christmas in New York. Czuć święta w Nowym Jorku. Look how pretty it is. Zobaczcie, jak pięknie. Najpierw idziemy na Times Square. First, I want to show you Times Square. Let's continue walking. Walking in the rain. Idziemy w deszczu. It's really pouring today. Jest naprawdę ulewa. Pouring. Ulewa. I am so wet already. My pants are wet, my shoes are wet. Repeat after me. Wet. Mokra. Wet. Mokra. Look at these skyscrapers. They are so tall. Skyscrapers. Wieżowce. Tall. Wysoki. I also want to show you this door. They are so cool. Door. Drzwi. Repeat after me. Drzwi. Look at this cool sculpture. Sculpture. Rzeźba. There are 3 of them here. 3. 3. 3. I want to show you how wet I am. Look at my shoes, my pants, my jacket. Wet. Już prawie jesteśmy. We are almost in Times Square. Let's enter it together. Ouch! It's really windy too. Prawie jesteśmy. We are almost there. Look at the street. There are lots of cars here. Oh, taksówka. A taxi. Repeat after me. Taksówka. Taxi. Look at all the billboards here. Billboards in Polish are reklama or tablica reklamowa. Billboards, reklama. There are plenty of these in Times Square. Let's continue walking. We are almost here. Już prawie jesteśmy. Oh, look at this cool billboard. It's American flag. I love it. Amerykańska flaga. American flag. Let's continue walking. We are here in Times Square. Jesteśmy w Times Square. Repeat after me. Jesteśmy. Look at all these lights. Lights. Światła. Lights. Światła. Billboards. Reklama. Billboards. Reklama. They are so pretty. One są piękne. Pretty. Piękne. Times Square is beautiful. Pretty. How do we say pretty in Polish? Great. It's called piękne. Piękne. I want you just to admire all these beautiful views. Live in Times Square from the rainy day. Tłum. Crowd. Tłum. Crowd. Crowd of people. Tłum. Look at all these lights. Repeat after me. Światła. Lights. Let's continue walking. I want to take you to the Rockefeller Center, where you can find the famous Christmas tree. And we are going to learn some words over there. It really feels like Christmas in Manhattan. That's not the Christmas tree I was telling you about. I just wanted to show you how pretty it is. Remember the Polish word? Pretty. Piękny. Look at all the rain. Rain. Deszcz. Deszcz. Look at these giant Christmas ornaments. Ogromne bombki świąteczne. Look at this Radio City Music Hall. That's like a entertainment and theater that opened in 1932 in Manhattan. So why don't we learn the word theater? Theater in Polish is teatr. Teatr. And we are here in the Rockefeller Center. I want you to enter it with me and see this beautiful tree, the beautiful famous Christmas tree. Choinka. Repeat after me. Choinka. Wow, it's so pretty and so big. Big, duża. Repeat after me. Duża. I also want to show you the ice rink at the Rockefeller Center. Let's see. Ice rink. Lodowisko. Look at this lodowisko. Ice rink. There are some people here. People. Ludzie. Oni jeżdżą na łyżwach. They are ice skating. Łyżwy is ice skates. Repeat after me. Łyżwy. Zobaczcie, to jest budynek za mgłą. Fog, mgła. Repeat after me. Mgła. I have to show you this. This is made out of chocolate. I wish you could see it because it smells delicious in here. Chocolate, czekolada. Remember the movie with Ben Stiller, Night at the Museum? So this is the lion, and most precisely lions, both of them, that came to life at night. So cool, right? Why don't we repeat this word? Lev, lion, lev. So it stopped raining. Repeat after me. Przestało padać. Przestało padać. It's time for me to head back home. I just wanted to thank you very much for spending this day with me. And I see you next time. Dziękuję bardzo, że mogliście uczestniczyć ze mną w tej wyprawie na Manhattan. If you like my lesson, you can subscribe for more Polish real life lessons on my channel.